So I bet you think this oversized driveway that can fit up to 6 cars is on a huge property here in Elyria, Ohio. Well, guess again. This is an amazing condo that I'm about to take you through. Maintenance-free living, but only you get to enjoy all of the amenities. So this backyard is amazing. The neighborhood is fantastic. You can enjoy all of these mature trees, including this little back patio. And the best part is you don't have to maintain any of this backyard. You can just enjoy it. So I know you love this beautiful siding right here and you want it to stay just the way it is. Just kidding. The HOA is actually going to be replacing it with some really nice shaker siding, just like its neighbors. They're also going to be putting in new bushes that line along the front of the home. And did I mention this lot is one of the largest lots in the neighborhood? That is so great. The flow of this home is fantastic. I'm coming from the kitchen into a nice open living room with a fireplace. I know some of the carpet might be a little older, but it's actually in great condition. So you can either move right in, or me personally, I would put all new flooring through the kitchen and in the living room just to give it a little facelift. And did I mention the high ceilings? This house has an amazing layout. Speaking of layout, what I love about it is you have the 2 other bedrooms and full bathroom on one side and your master on the other with your own ensuite. So this can either stay or it can go. So if you need it, it's all yours. And this basement is partially finished. I love this second living room space where you could have a movie room, whatever you want to do down here, an extra bonus room that you can convert into a bedroom. And then you've got a great workshop right there in the unfinished part with a bonus kitchenette. One other amazing thing is this home was only owned by one owner. The roof is brand new, and this porch needs its new owner to come and decorate it. So if that's you, reach out to us today.